Excel hashtags error. There are two reasons you could see a string of pound symbols in a cell. The first is that the cell column is too narrow to display the value. The fix is simple, just expand the column to fit. There are several ways to do this in Excel, but the quickest way is to double-click on the right column border at the top of the worksheet. This will automatically resize the column to the width of the widest value in that column. Alternatively, you can manually drag the column to a width that enables you to see the full value in that cell. If numbers have too many decimal places, go to Home tab. In the number groups, click Decrease Decimal to shorten the value. If none of the above methods fixes the problem, then it's time to step up. Maybe the value is saved in an incompatible number format. For example, do you have a negative value stored in date format? No matter how wide the column is, the hashtags error will be displayed, as negative date values are considered invalid. To fix this, double-check the value or formula used to arrive at the result or change the number format from date to another format, such as general. And for example, if you want to show the difference in days, between January 1st, 1990 to January 1st, 2023, then we have to change the cell format to number or general to come up with the desired value. In both cases, the data is still available in the cell, it is simply a formatting issue. Other formulas referencing the cell can still see and use the information, thus it isn't a true error. This covers how to fix Excel hashtags error. If you have a question to ask, leave it in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer it. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.